was mine. Our souls are intertwined, and boy, is it divine. I walked across the bridge, maybe danced a little bit, took a stroll down the riverside. My problems got pushed aside. I walked round the city, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. The sparkle of the water, holding hands of dads and daughters, fell asleep in the hands of the beautiful moon. And that's how I fell in love with Amsterdam. Can I be yours, Amsterdam? We'd make the perfect two, Amsterdam. I have fallen in